Hey guys, an update on Rocketlab. Yeah, we're having a bit of a red tape because of some news on some is this public offering or whatever that is exactly, don't know. Let me maybe just look it up quickly because I want to understand it as well. Okay, yeah, I think this is the most important thing. For example, what Nvidia is gonna do now, they will buy back. I think that's the opposite of this. Okay, I think, yeah, okay, it's selling versus buying, but just the words that are used are a bit. Okay. So the stocks that the company normally owns, I guess, and that are not public because it's owned by the company, they are now putting it on the market or something like that because it's not a split. Okay, yeah, look, their ownership drops because they are selling their own stocks, yeah. Not by, like, splitting is literally like doubling the amount of stocks for everyone. This is just their own amount of stocks they are putting it on the market, okay, instead of holding it, if that makes sense to you. So yeah, for me the orange scenario still is leading. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3, like maybe even 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, and then now 4 5, or it's still unfolding here. It's tricky, okay. We have the blue scenario as well, which is, I think, less favorable because of the structure looking a bit messy. Or if you do this 1 2, look at how insane larger wave 3 is, and it's looking like a 3-wave structure here. I like to start a move from here because this is the most obvious part. Multi 1 2s 3 and now multi 4 5s. So maybe it's wise to remove the blue scenario for now. And then yeah, I think still we want to reach this box before doing a larger correction. With us moving down today, we did hit the 886 almost from this high. Okay. Like this, and then I did add a target box here. Just checking if I took it correctly. Like this for a potential, as you can see, 3-wave move, 3-wave move, and then now maybe a 5-wave move down in an ABC or in a WXY. I'm gonna add the 618 here as well. Sometimes when you have a high B wave, the C wave stops at the 618 already and moves higher, so we don't have to take this low. But then it could also be a very running one, okay, and it could already stop here, and because this chart is super bullish the last few weeks, it might even turn around from here, and this was just a sell the news. And then we could consider this to be the low, this to be a 1 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 5 to reach this box. Okay, so I just want to add this box here. Should it go down, should it fall below this point of control, we have 112 and then around $109 as next levels to watch for strength. Okay, and then we have ASTS, still grinding to the upside, and as I said before, hit this 886 and you increase probabilities to take the high. I'm gonna add this trend line here like this, and yeah, that's it. Lose this and you may put pressure to the downside, and I'll add then fibs for support, but for now let's just try to ride this trend line, ride this 20 EMA to the upside. Thank you for watching, see you next time, bye bye.